If your marker lights are dried and cracked, it's definitely time to replace them. Not only will it look better, but you'll be conforming to DOT compliancy. You'll be happy you chose us as your premium supplier. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by RESTOPARTS, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1982 to 87 El Camino and 1982 to 83 Malibu front side marker lens assemblies. These RESTOPARTS reproduction marker lights are manufactured to factory specifications for an exact fit and finish on the front of your vehicle. Each assembly is manufactured from an injection molded plastic housing and lens for a genuine appearance. The amber lens features the correct diffuser pattern to ensure the light is properly displayed. In addition, the housing features the proper mounting holes for a smooth installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.